how to reconnect with your emotions and feel again. Teach your body that it is safe to feel again. Your body initially shut down emotions to protect you. Now you must gently retrain it to feel safe experiencing emotions again. So we can try somatic healing and breath work to release stored emotions blocks. And practice body awareness techniques to reconnect with physical sensations. Another way is to release suppressed emotions in a safe way. Because, see, emotions don't just disappear, they get stored in the body. And unprocessed grief, sadness, or anger can keep you from feeling emotions. And actually, each emotion impacts an organ in your body. So by not releasing the emotions, you keep the energetic imprint of them in your body, and in time that will generate disease. So you might try guided meditations to access blocked emotions, or you might schedule a hypnosis session to work on that. And even like yoga and sound therapy or other movement practices, they release suppressed energy. Another way is find small joys and sensory stimulation, because your brain needs positive emotional triggers to start feeling again. So start with small things like touch different textures, maybe soft blankets or running water. Listen to music that makes you feel something. And eat mindfully, savoring flavors and sensations. This reawakens your brain's emotional pathways, because you are meant to feel fully alive. Emotional numbness is not the end of your story, it is just a survival response you can heal from. When you start feeling again, you don't just experience pain, you also rediscover joy, love, and purpose. May you be at peace. May you be loved. May you be love.